don't you? Why don't you? Why don't you? Why don't you?
I'm like 3 minutes late right now. But yeah, man, how's everyone doing? Good morning. Welcome back. Let me turn this light up. Or what? I feel like I look super dark. Wait one sec. Let me fix this lighting real quick. I don't like that. Okay, it's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. Let me do this. Nice. All right, chat. So, there you go. That's what we needed. That's what we needed there. Perfect. How's everyone doing? Why is it so dark? I got my oh. I know what it is. One sec, chat. There you go. I had my exposure. That's better, right, chat? I had my exposure all the way down from the gym. You know what we're trying to do in the gym, trying to look good. Cool. So, and we have light. Let there be light. So, chat, good morning. Welcome back. It's Thursday right now. Sorry, I just had to buy some new headphones and I was trying to get them ordered so I can go pick them up after stream. So I had to cop myself those and that's why I was late. So I apologize, but we're here. We're here. Let me make sure I'm on the right thing. There you go. I'm ready to moderate the live because I'm a mod. Okay. What's good there, everyone? How are we all doing? What's good? Neo, Rosie, Spion, Max, what's good? Mark, how you doing, brother? Everyone's here, man. Everyone's here. Welcome back. Nice, you got the AirPods Max. I did get the AirPods Max. I did just cop them there. I'm super excited. They're meant to be, well, they're sick in the gym, to be honest. It's good, Malenko, Dylan, Charlie, how you doing, brother? Charlie, how are your legs feeling, my friend? Good morning, Bedge, Zulu. How we doing? Grabbed 8 picks on the breakout, but on a really small lot. Yeah, fair play. Let's go. Let us know if they're good. Nah, they're sick. Jan's got them. I tried them before, so that's why I bought them. They're pretty fucking good. I can't lie. What's good, Eugene? Huge. So chat, let me get into this breakdown. Oh, what's good, Abdullah? Let me get into this breakdown real quick, and then we'll keep going with the stream. So, chat. Again, there's no point looking at the weekly. We're at all-time highs. We're pushing like fuck. That's literally it. Simple. Secondly, on the daily, yesterday's daily, we closed bearish. Now, this could either just be a little pullback to continue upwards, just like this, or could this be a top wick and the daily flips and we start to fill this gap here between 24.26 and 24.55 or 58, sorry. You've got a lot of room there, obviously. What's good, Levi? Yeah, you got a lot of room, chat. So you can fill that gap down. That'd be a nice little play. But obviously, when we're in such a big uptrend, we don't want to just assume that we're gonna flip. Okay, we don't want to assume that because, you know, at any given point this could just rip up. 4-hour 2 is tapping into this area here. This is the last area we have on the 4-hour, 24.75. You start to tap into there and reject on the previous 1 hour. So once you did that, you know, you either need to push through here now or you're going to start to reject properly. So we'll see what happens there. But what can we take advantage of from now on? Again, I'm probably going to drop to the 30. Yeah, I'll drop to the 30 and do my ranges. Purely because, again, there's not much data that we have on the lower time frames. Now for buys, again, let me go back and see what we had before, because I want to see if those were valid. Somewhat. Yeah, somewhat. Alright, okay. So yeah, you do have a level here, as we just saw, right? At around 24.71. You're sort of closing above that now. No buys for me on this. You need a strong 1 hour closure above that, right? If you look at it on the 1, it looks okay, but you need a strong closure. Realistically, we need to wait until 24.75 to grab those buys. I'm not too, you know, excited about taking buys with the daily closure. But then again, I'm not too excited about taking sells. So we need some strong confirmation either way. If we're going to take either position, we need to have that strong confirmation. Sells again on the 1 hour. I'm actually going to take this middle level off, chat, I think. We're only 30 pips away, so I don't want to make the ranges too small. We'll use the 1 hourly levels. Sells, again, listen. Below this area here at 24.67, you're good for sells. I do believe you're coming close to the daily flip at that point as well. Oh, no, you're not. Okay. You got a 4 hour flip at that point. So that's something that we could sort of look to take advantage of. Anytime you close below there, yeah, you should be good to push down a little bit further. If not, we can wait till, even below 24.65, right? There's just another range there that you can take advantage of. But yeah, other than that, once we get above 24.75, you should be good to continue up to, I would say, at least, well, I want this up here. There you go. Yeah, at least up until 24.80. But again, chat, yesterday you started to form a big range between these two. So I would say be careful of that. Make sure you don't try and, do anything stupid. Take advantage of silly positions. But yeah, you should be good here. You should be good. Yesterday's trades were pretty decent in my opinion. We caught 19 pips in the signals, and then I actually had 2 break evens. I got sells here and sells here, and both got hit with break even. But yeah, ended up in a win on the day. Obviously, positive day. Just yeah, break evens were hit. But chat, I'm sample sizing a new play. You guys are going to see that probably in a month or 2. And yeah, it's going to be next level. I'm super excited for that. But anyway, chat, how are you all doing, man? Is it a beautiful day, Michael? Yeah, it is actually. Wow. Good shit. How are you, Michael? Good morning. In this case, isn't it better to take range 2 sells below? I mean, yeah, technically it is, because you have sort of a range here. Once you close below 24.67, you'll close below range 2. For me, at least. But yeah, you can wait till below 24.65. That's not a problem at all. Wouldn't you have the top line at the candle higher? No, because firstly, this is a fake out, so I don't really count that. And secondly, you've got 30 pips, 32 pips between the two. If you close above this one, if you close above 24.79, where else are you going to go other than up to 24.82? You have to fill that range, or you should at least fill that range. So yeah, well, let's take advantage of that fill, and then yeah, if we close above again, we'll maybe get more buyers. But like we saw yesterday, right, buys at these all-time highs are very difficult. I'm a poet. Very well, thank you, mate. How are you doing? I'm definitely going to golf tonight. Be rude not to. Yeah, fair play. Tiger Woods back at it again. What's good, Pavandran? Good morning, brother. Yeah, I'm very good, thank you. How are you? I'm going to go grab something to eat. Don't take a gazillion pips. We'll try, Mark. We'll try. Yeah, I'm super excited to get these headphones too. I think they're going to be sick. Thank you, SG. What do you mean? Oh, yeah, no worries. No worries. One chat, let's have a cracking day. Follow your plans, lot size and discipline. Of course, always follow the plan, chat. If you did enjoy the analysis, also make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new. I really appreciate all of you for pulling up again. And yeah, once that volume picks up, hopefully we can grab something here. Great to see you staying patient. Thank you, Joe. Welcome, brother. I appreciate it. Oh, Dip, I got somewhere to sort, something to sort out. I wish you guys some W's today. Yeah. See you in a bit, Abdullah. Peace out. Chat. Whoa. Let me take that USB out. How's everyone's week been so far? Just here for the analysis I can't miss. Hey, good stuff, bro. I'm glad to hear that, man. I'm glad to hear that. But yeah, how's everyone's week been so far? For us, I think we're 2-0. Yeah. 2-0 or 3-0. Either one. But yeah, it's been a good week so far, to be honest. It's been a good week. How about you guys? Close all these down. Great week. Yeah, let's go, Adam. Good stuff. Good stuff. I think we should have a very good day today. We've got unemployment claims later on. Is that at 1:30? I believe it's 1:30. Let me just check. Yes, 1:30. So, it looks so pale. Wow. At 1:30, we have unemployment claims. How do I do this? That's making me more pale. Whoa. Okay, I made myself look yellow. I made myself look like I got jaundice just to look less pale. But nah, cool. Took New York C's, took the sell NYC up 2.8% for the week. Hey, let's go, man. That's huge. Been great. Plan followed. 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 break even. Nice. First week since I started trading that I'll be ending in profit. Hey, fucking let's go. That's so sick. It's a good feeling, right? That's a very good feeling. Congrats, Rosie. Here's to many more. Many more. Staying patient for an A+ setup. Yeah, I know you asked me. You got some crazy patience, my boy. I see that always. Good shit. Chat, I'm impressed. Everyone staying patient. Everyone being disciplined. Everyone improving every single week. I literally can watch you guys improve as we progress through the streams. Really fucking cool to see, to be honest. So congrats to everyone on that. And that really just does show, if you you stick around every single day, you know, ask questions, take notes, learn from it, you know, active participation, then you're gonna change your trading. You're gonna get better, you're gonna improve. Yeah, that's sick. Glad to see it. Chat is involving. Yes, what's good, Max? Yeah. Chat, I'm going to have a video up today too. I'm going to have a super cool video up. Greece vlog comes out today. So, guys, make sure you watch that later on when it comes out. I think it'll probably come out sometime this evening. But yeah, chat, it's going to be a fucking banger video. Really is. So make sure you don't miss that. Look at these rejections you've got here though, chat. Big rejections off the top of this level. So if you can close below 2465, you've got clean traffic all the way down. We saw this yesterday, right? Close below. I don't see why we didn't push even further, to be honest. Once we closed below this area at 2459, we should have just continued, but I presume we didn't have enough liquidity, which is probably why. But regardless, you're good to push it, I believe. Morning, what's good, Tommy? Good morning. W Grease vlog, yes sir. Yeah, I can't wait, man. Can't wait to show you guys it. But yeah, chat, so much quality content. We're just pumping out quality entertainment, education, all that sort of stuff. It's going to be, you're going to experience a true level up again. Even though we already leveled up our content, you're going to see another one, which is fucking crazy. I can't wait. Been working so hard on all this stuff, and yeah, I'm just looking to provide for you guys, you know, be able to give you guys, like, you know, some good quality content and some value for free. Yeah, when is merch dropping? Bro, I'm working on it, man. I can't find a factory still. I really still can't find a factory, but if anyone lives in like Turkey, Vietnam, etc., let me know, because I need a supplier. This guy, where did you go? What do you mean, where did I go? I've been here. I've been here. Chat, by the way, I checked that the viewers are definitely glitched. 100% glitched. Without a doubt. Because yesterday we got 127 likes and we had 100 viewers. There's no way that happens. So yeah, it's definitely glitched. You stopped live streaming for a while? No, we've been back this week. I've been back for like the past week. But yeah, I went for a couple of days, went to Monaco. Yeah, man. So took a few days off, went on a little trip. I'm back now, don't you worry. I'm back for a long time. We're going to stay locked in for a long, long while. Good victory settings. Let's go. Yeah, that merch. It's not really merch. It's going to be like a clothing line, to be honest. It's going to be fucking sick. Trust me. Yeah, chat, also, I think we made it, to be honest. I think we made it. Yesterday, we got the daddy's money allegations. Wait. You guys aren't going to be able to read this, are you? You can't read that. Someone commented on one of my videos, it's definitely his dad's money. Rich kids always flaunt daddy's money. We made it. That's the dub. That's when you know you're getting there. That's when you know you're making it. Nah, Max. Crazy. That's crazy. Fair enough. Let's go. What's good, Jan? Bro, you've influenced me. I just bought a pair of AirPod Maxes. How about I was out of line on that one? Nah, you're good, bro. Don't you worry. Bro apologized for his own joke. That's hilarious. That's funny, man. That is funny. What did you buy? I bought a small village in rural Kazakhstan. That's what I bought. Chat, you got 9 minutes here to this 1 hour close, okay? If we close like this, there's not much I can do. We are slap bang in the middle of the range. Literally as central as you can possibly be. We can buy villages. Yeah, I think you can. I think you can. What's good, Xander? Yeah, if you get enough bread, I'm pretty sure you can buy villages. That's the goal, right? Just to buy a town. I think in America as well, there's like loads of like weird old towns in the middle of nowhere, like western towns. And you can just buy them if you got enough bread. I get a new goal loaded. Yeah, trust me. Imagine buying a village and then like you get all your boys there. Everyone gets like a house, or everyone gets their own street. That is actually a sick goal. Yeah, Portuguese YouTuber bought a village like 2 months ago. Crazy. Respect, man. What's good, Seska? How you doing, bro? KB, what's good? Good morning. Very good, thanks. How are you? Chat, we're just waiting for this volume to come in now. You got 8 minutes. 8 minutes left. Bro, my AirPods, these AirPods, like the normal ones, there's like an echo right now. It sounds like I'm listening through, I don't know, like a Bluetooth speaker or something. It's really weird. Farzo, how are we doing, brother? How's everything going? Cool. How much were they? How much were what? The AirPods. Oh, these ones, I don't know, bro. They were like whatever AirPod price was back in the day. But I just bought the Maxes. That I'm gonna go pick them up today, hopefully. They fucking take them to the shop. All good, mate. Bought the ACG challenge this morning. Ready to get this kickstart. Hey, let's go, bro. You got this. You got this. Slow and steady, man. 1% risk. If the 1 hour close bearish, would you take the onion settles? I'd look at it, yeah. Potentially, I'd look for it. I think you can come down and flip on this 4 hour, maybe. But again, it needs to be perfect, and I need strong confirmation. I probably want it to be below. Actually, no, you'd be alright. But yeah, I'm a bit hesitant to sell into this daily candle, right? Even though, yes, you closed daily on the previous and you've come up and made a top wick first. Chat, there's nothing telling you that you're not going to just push up and create all-time highs again. Also, look at this, right? You see that we do this quite often. You see that we... Just look at these mirrors, right? Let me load Zoom up, actually, so I can show you these boxes. Because, chat, you've got so many clean mirrors here. I want to try and fit it all on one screen, but I can't. That's tough. Okay, yeah, I'll try to do it like this. You see what happens, chat. Every single time you push up. Every single time. Let me share screen. Get my annotations out. Cool. When we make all-time highs, what do we do, right? Every single time. So look, you make all-time highs up here. Then you consolidate. You you form a range, break out, and then now you're closed back into this range again. And once you break out again, then you push up. You make this big push up, form all-time highs. Then you consolidate again. Once you break out that range, push up, consolidate for a little bit more, push up, consolidate for a little bit more. We're starting to consolidate right now. Look, we're starting to form like a range between here and here. And to be honest, there's a smaller range as well inside that between here and here. So at this point, it could go either way. You've broken out the bottom. If you're someone who trades, AMD, like, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, what are you seeing here? You've seen that we formed a range, and now we've broken out the bottom of it, i.e. manipulation, right? Grabbing liquidity outside the bottom of the range, and now we've closed back in that range. So are you going to come back up now and fill the top of that range? Maybe. Again, though, there's just no clear direction right now, so there's nothing that we can actually do. We have to wait for that direction to be formed before we take any positions. Because at this current time, you don't know. You're not certain where price is going to go. So is that a buy or what? Nothing yet, brother. Nothing yet. It was probably a buy this morning at like 6 AM down here when you broke back into the range. But at this point in time, nothing. Because you've come up to almost the top of the range. And rejected off of it. So we have to wait now. Realistically, I would rather us break out this range entirely, close above or below, and then get your positions. But I do think that that's probably going to take a while because you need a lot of volume to break out of a range, right? You need that push. Mega hungry. Chat, does that make sense? It's a little bit of an insight into another way you can think about the market. Streams are getting more educational every single day, man. Yesterday we covered market structure. Now we covered AMD. Insane. Gonna have to clip. Yeah, you should, bro. Good shit. I appreciate you, Sven. But yeah, so like I said, chat, 3 minutes this hourly close. You're most likely going to close in a really weird position where you're closing somewhat bullish. Oh. But also bearish at the same time, which isn't ideal for us, right? So you probably want to see, well, either way, right? You want to see a strong closure or a strong bearish closure. But at the minute, you're going to close in the middle, which is a bit of an indecision area. And yeah, you need to see some direction first before you can get into any positions. Okay. What's good, Piano and Datius? Welcome. Can we sell from that? We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see what happens here, chat. I'm hungry too, though. Why do I wake up hungry recently? Cool. Cool. Chat. you did get some value out of the stream so far, make sure you drop a like. If you're new, subscribe and join the community. We've got so much coming. So much value, so much education, all that good stuff. Definitely not something you want to miss. I watched your yesterday's stream early this morning. You explained market structure. It's amazing. Taking notes about it. Thank you. Hey, let's go, bro. I appreciate that. I'm glad it helped you. I really am. Taking notes too. That shows that you got that initiative, man. Good shit. What do you guys think the overall direction for the day is going to be there? Up and down. Yeah, Eugene's got it. You've got it. A little bit sideways too, maybe. Bottom wick and bullish. Yeah, potentially. Unemployment claims should be interesting. Right, 130. Yeah, should be interesting. I wonder if we come out bullish. For gold, that is. You might just see a... I don't know. We'll see, but... Yeah. Interesting. 20 seconds, sorry, here to the 1 hour close. Sideways. Yeah, not a bad shout. Already broke all-time highs twice in a 2 days in a row. Yeah, it has. It has. I hit the AMD, to be honest, because I feel like we have... wait, I clicked on the wrong thing. Fuck. Why is that in the way? There's like a pop-up in the way of your chat. I feel like we have to do a double sweep before we drop down, but we just have to wait, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure, to be honest, bro. Like, I mean, it wasn't enough liquidity for us to drop down when we pushed up here. Yeah, so I think you're right, to be honest. I think we do need to sweep all-time highs again. Look at me, chat. We're talking in terms of sweeps and stuff right now, but... Yeah, I do think we need to tap all-time highs again before we can come back down, because you grabbed so much liquidity yesterday here, but it wasn't enough. All right, it wasn't enough to push down, so you obviously need more before you can do that. If you do want to do that, right? Obviously, this could have just been the liquidity to come back up, right? This could be just you know, just a liquidity grab to push back up. So yeah, we have to wait and see here. Again, like I said, we need more direction. Shit closure, yeah, not the best hourly closure, to be honest. We'll wait and see, chat. We'll wait and see. We'll look for the next 30. At the minute, chat, there's no volume, right? So even if there was a position, there's probably not much we could do. We need that volume to come in. And as you know, it normally comes in around 9:30, 10-ish. So, yeah, once we get that, we'll see. But until then, chat, just stay patient. It's near the end of the week. Remember, you don't need a trade right now. You don't need a trade right this second. Okay? The difference between getting a trade now and a trade later is nothing. I know you want to get you want to make that cash and you want to trade this and do that, but yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because if you try and force a trade now, you're gonna have to try and trade later to get it back if you lose it. You may as well just wait. Take the perfect entry. Be like a sniper, right? One bullet, one shot. Don't be like Trump's guy, like 8 shots and miss all of them. The fucking fire idea for a video. Yeah, I have to make that. I love missing, bear missing, crazy. Missing Gao. SG, what is the goods? Chat forcing trades again. The market knows how to humble a man. Nah, no one is, but I thought I'd just give you a warning anyway. I'll just give you a warning to stay patient. So what's good, DK? How you doing, brother? Thinking of grabbing the new Paris 4s? Or you love a pair of Jordans, eh? You'll grow up one day, Mark. You'll grow up one day. Isn't that ugly? You mean these? Do you mean the Paris Olympics ones? Jordan 4s are ugly anyway, bro. He's not gonna like that. Tronite, can you explain the market structure idea based on the current gold scenario? Yeah. So, obviously, let me drop down to a smaller time frame just quickly. I mean, you're trending quite weakly bullish right now, right? You're still trending bullish, but it's not the strongest trend, okay? So you've got... Where's my little path there? You notice how... I mean, here we're in a range, right? So there's not much market structure. I mean, you're making some higher highs and higher lows, but you're essentially just ranging over and over, okay? Then you start to make a lower low here, below all these lows. You come down, and that's where you continue a push, right? So this is where you want your entry. Once you make that first low, then you make the high, and then you make the low again. That's where you want your entry. So that's why we have like break of the low entries and that type of stuff. I actually managed to get an entry yesterday. Right on this wick here, literally right here. I was talking about it in chat yesterday. Sorry, in the coaching group. And that's the trade that ran for 100 pips. But yeah, that'll come to you guys soon. But again, like we said, right, we're ranging here. You make a lower low, then you make a lower high, and then you continue down, right? And now what we've started to do is retrace that trend. So now we've just started to slowly make higher highs and higher lows. Well, actually higher lows. And then we made a higher high here. And that's when you start to continue to push up, right? But again, it's very weak because there's not much volume. So you see you have these like little small pushes, but they're not like this, right? Where you're coming up smaller and then pushing again. Because there's no volume, this was Asian session in the start of London. Yeah, it's just a weak trend upwards. So again, not much you can look into right now. You just have to wait for some more volume. And I would say, chat, we're probably in a no trade zone right here. We're probably in a no trade zone. I need closures, to be honest. But does that make sense, Rolex? Crazy, I'm talking to a Rolex. Thank you. Yeah, no worries. Call me a retard, but what's RR? No, you're good. Risk to reward. So, how much are you risking? And how much is your reward? You see, like, here's your number. Risk to reward ratio. RR. Let's say your stops are 50 pips. Right? And your TP's 100 pips. You're going to have a 2-to-1 risk to reward, right? Because you're risking... Your reward is 2 times what you're risking. Then obviously, if it's 100-100 or 75-75, right? Essentially, the stops are the same. You're going to have a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Because you're risking the exact same as your reward is. As your take profit is, basically. And yeah, that's why you hear people say negative RR. Because, like... Well, I mean, a lot of our trades, right? We risk more than we make. But... You missed my commentary. I'm leaving. My bad, bro. My bad. Where is it? Oh, shit. Here it is. Good morning. Good morning. and all the other. Oh, good morning, G, and all the other people out here trading this UK session, trading with G to catch a trade or learning to catch a trade. I wish you all the best of luck. I appreciate you, Creed. Thanks for the positivity, my friend. Thank you, brother. And KP asks, what's the macros on this bar? Bro, the macros are quite good, I can't lie. Wait. So, 21 grams of protein, 230 calories, and only 1 gram of sugar. I've got no clue how they do it because it tastes ridiculously good, but yeah, that's what it is. I really want beans on toast. Eugene's influencing the masses, eh? Chat, can we try to get to 75 likes right now? That'd be much, much, much appreciated. Whoa. Yeah, you guys are killing it in a minute. I appreciate you all very, very much. Support's been huge. And, yeah. Should you buy or sell? Nothing yet, brother. We're waiting. What are you thinking about the onion? You got a lot of time to that forms. This onion, no. This onion, definitely no. You close respecting the level that we had here earlier. Remember we had a level at 2471? Like a minor support level. You close respecting that, so no, definitely not. You need a 1 hour close, yeah. This 1 hour close bullish, right? So you can't take it. Bro, they put sugar substitutes in it. That's why it tastes so good. Yeah, I know. It's got like I don't even know what the ingredients are. Yeah, shitloads of them. But I think it's actually mostly natural. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway. Bro, when I'm in London one day, I need to grab some Weetabix. You're not missing out much if you're not eating Weetabix, bro. Weetabix is boring food. It's just like what you feed to kids or old people. I don't know why Eugene eats it, to be honest. And they are unhealthier than real sugar. Nah, that's not true. You're missing out banging. Maybe. I don't know, man. Bro, I'm arguing with my mum because she doesn't trust the bulk. She says I'm going to get fat and destroy my metabolism. Help. The more you eat, the more your metabolism picks up. Alright? Your body's very adaptive. The more food you give it, it realizes it needs to burn more calories. So your metabolism's going to get way stronger if you eat more food. But yeah, Chad, listen, right. We just opened on the 1 hour here. There's no volume whatsoever. I don't know why. I've never seen London this. I mean, normally there's no volume, but this is the next level. So we're going to wait here, obviously, for that to pick up. And, yeah. So dead right now. How come? Yeah, Mark. All mums say that you just have to do what you just have to do what you not do what you want, but be respectful to your mum, but tell her that you've done the research and you trust it, and then she'll be okay, I think. What if you have $20 and sniper entry for your market? Bro, if it's part of your strategy and you got in, then fair play. I think that's what you mean. But yeah, I've just got no entry right now. 5-minute range, crazy, I know, bro. The 10 pip range. Chat, we should have just scalped it up and down, right? We should have just gone buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And you would have got 10 pips over and over again. Easy. Nah, I'm playing, chat. You do not want to touch this range, man. It's horrible. It's horrible, horrible range. But yeah. Can you explain about a Wick entry and how it works? Yeah. So essentially how it works is I just closed my zoom down, for fuck's sake. I needed that. I need that. A Wick entry, I may as well explain it. We may as well have a little lesson right now because we've got time before the volume picks up. Yeah, so you know that we have a breakout and a flip, right? It's very, very simple. You have the breakout and then you enter on the flip of that candle, get activated, you're good for buys. But let's say now that we come up here like this, close above, leaving ourselves a nice little wick here. And then, actually I don't want to use all-time highs. We're at all-time highs, so it's a bit different, but let's say that, you know, you're in a regular market, okay? Let's say that you now come and close below this range, like this. And you think, okay, perfect. I'm going to wait for the flip here. So what you'd obviously do is you'd wait for a top wick, and then you need a flip. And then you get activated here. But instead, what we would do is once it makes this top wick and taps a certain area, so we'd probably look to the left and say, okay, where did we need to tap last time before it came down? Obviously, we don't have much data here, though, because we're at all-time highs. But the last thing that we needed was we only needed a top wick up until 2465, right? So let's say 2465. You close below, and then your top wick taps in here at 2465.9. Then, instead of waiting for the flip, what you just do is you just market execute a sell. So you just get in a sell right on that wick. And then you have your stops either above this previous wick here or above the previous structure. And then you can have your client. And then you obviously have the same TP as you were before. But now, your break-even point, your advantage point is the flip of this candle. Because you understand that this candle at some point needs to make that bottom wick. It has to make a bottom wick. Whether it's now or later, it 90% of the time comes down and gives itself a bottom wick. So, once that candle touches your level, like that, then you get in that sell. And then, obviously, once it flips, you're moving your stop loss to break even, closing half or closing full even, and letting it run all the way down. Does that make sense? So what you'd end up having is, instead of having, you know, an entry down there where the pink line is, you'd have your entry at the top here, and you'd end up looking something like this, hopefully. I mean, obviously, if you get the perfect wick entry, it'll look like this. And then you just, yeah, you end up grabbing the sells all the way down. You get a better advantage point, and you get a better entry. Make sense? But you have to be careful with that one. Personally, for me, I only like taking it when I'm going with the bias. So I only like taking it with the breakout and, you know, the overall direction of the day. So for example, if this daily started to come down here and you're starting to flip, then yeah, I'd be looking to take wick entry sales. But I wouldn't take it if we pushed up here, like, you know, we pushed up here like this straight away now without making a bottom wick here. I still wouldn't take that as a wick entry sell, because even though, yes, it probably needs to come down and make this bottom wick like that, you don't know gold at the minute, and you don't know, like, whether it's just going to push without a bottom wick and go to all-time highs. So make sure you take it with the direction. For example, you took a wick entry here based off the fact that, you know, I don't know, you I know this is the daily time frame, but it's an example. If you took a wick entry off this candle, expecting it to come and make a bottom wick, you'd be fucked, right? It just never ever came back. So yeah, take it with the overall direction, because then you get a lot more, the market's a lot more forgiving. Bit of education there for you, chat, there, a bit of value. Got it, brother, lots of new ideas you're teaching me, thanks. Hey, I'm glad to hear that, my friend. I'm glad to hear that. Hopefully, hopefully it helps your trading out, my friend. But yeah, so much value here, man. Just free value, left, right, and center. Appreciate all the chat. Drop a like if you haven't already for the value. Today's YouTube video that's coming out will have a giveaway attached to it as well. So make sure you go and check that out later. Don't miss the giveaway. You know what we're doing, chat. We literally try and give back to you as much as possible. I literally try and do as many giveaways as I physically can. We've got one for if we hit 4K this month. And yeah, one for the next video and one for the video after that. You're actually getting paid to be here. Or you're getting the opportunity to be paid. I don't know if that's technically true, but yeah, man. With the Wick entry, only with the direction of the day or overall higher time frame direction, bro. And with the Wick entry, do you also see what's happening on the smaller time frames, it's clean range, etc.? Yeah, so you need like no structure pretty much on the smaller time frames. It can't be like going like this and going like bang, 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 like making higher highs and higher lows. You want it to just do something like this where it just comes straight down and makes that structure that way. Yeah. And then your first question was, so with the Wick entry only with the direction of the day or the overall higher time frame direction? Yeah, so the direction of the day, brother. So like, not necessarily with the bias, because we understand that that can shift, but I like to do it with the way that the market's moving, right? So I like to see it as just a different entry. It's not a setup. So, for example, we have a breakout here. Now, the breakout is your confirmation that you should continue downwards, and the wick is just a way to get a better entry. So if the breakout didn't form properly, I wouldn't be taking this. I use it in conjunction with breakouts. If that makes sense to you. Essentially, just follow the direction of the day. Got it. Thanks. Slowly learning. Nah, you're all good. You're all good. I like this guy. You're really the pro. I appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, Adatius. Yeah, man. Let's go. Just booked a cut. Oh, that's huge, bro. But you shave all your hair off anyway, bro. So just do it yourself, huh? Speaking of that, actually, I need a trim badly. Yeah, I need a trim. I need the clean fade and lineup. Okay, bro. Okay. Okay. You get all the girls, huh? Yeah, okay, you got a 30-minute closure here in 8 minutes. But you're just pushing way too much, chat. It's just pushing way too far for us to take anything here. Stops are going to be ginormous. You've already pushed. Whoa, 4 pips. Fucking hell. Crazy. What if the candle breaks that line? What, these lines? Then we wait for a setup and we buy, right? If you want to learn the full strategy, I've got a free course on YouTube that you can go check out. Completely free. But yeah, it teaches you everything. It teaches you how I find these levels, etc. Which is important. Very, very important. But yeah, chat. Cool. Cool. That chat is pumping today, man. Like, you guys are asking some banging questions. I really appreciate it. I love being able to, like, you know, help you guys out, answer all your questions and that type of thing. It really does mean a lot. So, good stuff. And yeah, keep them coming, man. You guys are going to learn way more if you ask questions. It's like in school, right? If you didn't know the answer, and you didn't ask a question, you never figured it out. But if you ask the question, now you know the answer. Yeah, bro, the value today is crazy. I appreciate that, bro. For free, man. For free. Some wise man words. Yeah, it is, my boy. It is. And Mark, I know you're in school, bro. You better start asking your teachers questions. Good, Robbie. How are you? Hell no. What do you mean, hell nah? Come on, bro. You gotta focus up in school. I know it's too cool for school shit. Yeah, also, you got the 4-hour close coming in 36 minutes too. So that's going to be an important closure, right? You're trending bullish. If the 4-hour closes quite strongly, you can continue to the top of this range, 24.80. Clear sell around 24.71. And target 24.55. Just like yesterday, we swept the 24.61 zone, grabbed liquidity. Now we've traced back up to 24.7 zone. Ready to target the minimum 24.55 or 33. I think we need more liquidity first, brother. Yeah, I think we need to come and sweep the highs again, to be honest. Because this liquidity yesterday from 24.80 wasn't enough to push us down, right? You have such bullish momentum that even grabbing this liquidity was not enough to push us down. You got to think of it like a you've got to think of it like a, I don't know, let's say a slingshot, right? If you pull a slingshot back, how far is it going to go? It's going to go further depending on how far you pull that slingshot back. So the more liquidity you grab, the further the push is going to be, in theory. So if we pulled the slingshot back super far yesterday and went to 24.83 here, and then only came back down to here and we couldn't push the whole way down, what do you need to see today? We need to see an even further pullback. You need to see us literally pull that string all the way back. Probably break the highs again. And then, yeah, retest and break those lows. And then that's the real retracement that you'll see if you do want to retrace. Otherwise, you could just continue bullish. Can you clip that, please, Spion? Alright, Spion's actually the GOAT, man. He clips everything. I've got editors working on chopping them up as well, so they're not going to waste Spion, I promise. Exclamation mark clip is Spion. Yes, but the low of 24.55 hasn't made a new high. Yeah, but it also is on the way up to do that, right? Like, it hasn't made a low either. Making me work hard today with the clips. Yeah, bro, sorry, I appreciate it. I appreciate you, my friend. Morning, SG, how are you, mate? Yeah, I'm good, Dan. How you doing, brother? How you doing, my friend? Yesterday, you placed a buy stop based on the 4-hour. What idea on that setup? Is that setup only work on the 4-hour time frame? Where were we? Were we here? Yeah, I think we might have been. It was just a simple breakout and flip, right? Yesterday we didn't have all this structure here. We just had this. So the 4-hour came down, grabbed a lot of liquidity. Then it decided not to reflip, so we deleted the buy stop. Because it started messing around at 10. Like, you see, it just came down and like started doing, yeah. It just wasn't really the best, so we just deleted it. That was just a simple breakout flip, right? Smelling an onion in 30 minutes. You're always smelling an onion. What's good, Saddam? How you doing, brother? Hi, boss. If the price closes above 24.75, where will you place your stop? What's good, Fritz Angeles? Angeles. Above 24.75, it's either going to be. It depends, right? It depends on what the closure says. If the closure's, you know, something like this, most likely it's going to be the hourly low, right? So let's say we close something like this, right? And you've got that. Most likely our stops will be down below this hourly low. If not, below the support here at 24.67, but most likely it'll be below the hourly low. But to be honest, I don't think we'll close above that right now. Got some room to push down. I know you don't trade supply and demand, but I'd love you to take a look at what I put in the Discord. Let me see, bro. Let me see. Supply. Breaker structure. I think it's like how Eugene trades, to be honest. Yeah, to be honest, bro, like, I mean, it looks good. Don't get me wrong. Again, though, I literally have never traded supply and demand, so I don't even know how to work out the boxes. So, yeah. I can't really help you too much, my brother. My sales playing nice right now. Oh, good stuff, Badge. What were the sales based off of? Just the onion play or the tap into this top of the range? Been working really well for me, so I'm just working on it. Yeah, good stuff, bro. Make sure you collect data on it, you know, sample size, all that good stuff. Supply. Oh, fair play, Badge. Good stuff then. Good stuff, my friend. Yeah, chat, no matter what strategy you trade, or what your sample size and what you're working on, get the trend journal. It's going to give you all the data you need. It's actually probably, I just started doing this last week in terms of sample sizing. Obviously, I'm using the trend journal for all of the streams and signal trades as I normally would, right? But sample sizing with it as well is just sick, to be honest. You can use it so well. Yeah, you can use it so well. And yeah, I can't wait to bring you guys that new play if the data shows it's working out well. Need to find my way of trading, yeah. Yeah, of course. I have a question. Why on yesterday's live you detailed a buy stop on the 1 hour celery after 15 minutes closed bearish? Oh, you deleted, sorry. Closed bearish. So I want to know why, because I held the buy stop on the 1 hour and it got stopped out. It wasn't a 1 hour celery, was it? Where was it? Here? I don't really trade celeries at the minute, so I don't think it was a celery. Thanks, boss. Nah, you're good, bro. What's good, Chief Keith? How you doing? I think you're talking about this candle here where we had buy stops, or even the one afterwards. The reason was, oh, it must have been the one afterwards, yeah, because it got stopped out. The reason was we got where are we? Let me find it on the. Okay, it was here. So once you close bearish here, right? You've almost like, hang on, let me remove this level because we didn't have this yesterday. Our level was here on the 15, okay, that I looked at. That's just like a minor level on the 15. Obviously the 1 hour closed above that and everything was all good, but you started to create structure on this 1 hour. You started to create structure, and once you do that, you know, it makes it more difficult for a clean flip and drive. So you see here how we've got, you know, basically a resistance being formed. So now your resistance is actually here. The 15-minute close is bearish. It's an indication you got more room to come down. And then, yeah. Obviously, you just have a continuation. Now, it was unlucky for you that this candle just decided to push no bottom wick all the way down. No top wick all the way down. Yeah, that wasn't ideal. But we deleted based off the fact that 15 closed bearish. I needed an early push because we started to reject, right? And I needed to know that we were going to push straight away and it wasn't just a top wick being formed. And when you start to form that structure, yeah, you know that it's not really a quick push. And that's what I needed. So That's why I deleted, bro. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Hopefully that made sense there. Thank you. Lots of things to learn in this Forex. Yeah, no, 100%. There's lots of things to learn, but it's a journey, bro. It's a process. It's a process, man. Chat is so hot in my room. Unbelievably hot. So you're pushing down here, chat. 30-minute opened up. Oh. 5-minute opened up without a top wick. Interesting. 5-minute close without a bottom wick as well. Really. We need to wait for closures here, right? You got this 4-hour close coming in 25 minutes. You could flip on this 4-hour. You could flip on this 4-hour, chat. You're coming down, and you're coming down hard. So pause. If we can do something like that, or at least get like a strong bearish hourly closure, it'll look to take some sales to continue, right? But again, you need to break this low here, like we said, right? We've been discussing market structure the whole time, and at the minute you're still creating higher highs and higher lows, right? On the smaller time frame. So until you come down here, I'm not looking to take anything. I need us to close below 24.65. Because look, then you've got the same move as yesterday, right? You'll see us close below, break this low here. From there, retest and push. And that's what you're looking at taking advantage of. Bro, Mark just sent me this on Discord. You gotta respect the creativity there. So basically what I said 20 minutes ago. You want a medal, G? Crazy. What do we think? Mark, you're not getting mod, my boy. Not right now. You got some maturing to do. Nah, it's just clear you're clueless in trading. Crazy. You're on my stream, my boy. You're sat here watching me. What an idiot. What's good, Ja? How you doing, brother? Make a poll, then wait for a month or so until he's ready. Nah, we'll wait for a bit. Oh, Chad, that's funny, bro. Oh, good, mate. Good stuff, Ja. How you been? How's the trading been going? Chat. 22 minutes this closure, man. Let's see. 22 minutes this 4-hour closure. Again, right? There's nothing telling you that we're gonna go down right now. What this guy didn't realize is I said if the 4-hour comes down. I didn't say the 4-hour is gonna come down. Because again, you're still creating higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, not everything's about trying to predict exactly where the market goes. Again, you know this, chat. We jump on the wave, right? We jump on the wave. Yeah, SG, that 2467 level you have, is that not a range 1 breakout? So it's possible to get a fake out there because we are bullish. Yeah, 100%, bro. That's why I should have changed the label. You're right, Dan. But I just said earlier that we need to wait for the closure below the next range, right? Yeah. So you're right. Yeah, that is a range 1 for sure. So we need to wait for 2465. 100%. Took a fat L yesterday afternoon in some decent buys from this morning. Good stuff, bro. 2462. Yeah, not bad, bro. How come you didn't take profit at 75, bro? You're like 130 pips up. You're a swing trader then, eh? Like, you trade more swing style? Keep it up, bro. We wait for the confirmation. Yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely. Close half at the top. Oh, yeah, good shit, man. Huge. Yeah, that next range is a range 2. I have that level 2. Good stuff, Dan. Yeah. Once you close below there, it's clean traffic till at least 2458 or 2459, sorry. Yeah, you got room all the way down there, but until then, yeah. Hello, G, if the 4-hour close bullish means it will go up or down, why? It doesn't mean it will go up and it doesn't mean it will go down, right? But if you get a strong bullish closure here, you're more likely to continue pushing up. We close like this, to be honest, bro, you're just in a range between 75 and 67 at the minute. You're in a minor range. I can see us, especially with the volume that we have right now, which is not much, I can see us just continuing to range for a little bit. Again, we need to wait and see, right? Need to wait and see. Got a new putter arriving for Christmas. Oh, today feels like Christmas. Oh, my bad. I misread that. Huge. What putter did you get? Which putter did you get, my friend? I'm interested. Chat. We're 9 subs away from 3.7k. Make sure you drop a subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate all of you. You guys have been absolutely killing it recently, man. Really. Drop a like as well, man. Let's try to get to 100 likes today. I know it says we've got 61 viewers, but I guarantee we don't. The viewers are bugged. They've been bugged for like 3 days. I guarantee we've got way more. But again, right, we don't care about the viewers. It's just a, you know, point of principle. A Ray Cook SR500 spider putter. Crazy. That sounds... I've actually never heard of that club, bro. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Interesting. Big putter. Yeah, chat. So you're pushing a little bit here, which is good. Again, not much we can do right now. We have to wait for this this 4-hour closure, which is coming in around 18 minutes time. Cool. Cool. Trainers, I like that 7 AM 1 hour onion idea. My question is, if I saw this type of setup next time, can we ignore the 30-minute consolidation level and take the trade based off the 1 hour only? You're looking at this onion here. Yeah, we'll look at it. So if you take the onion off the break of this high here, I mean, you could either take it off the flip or the break of the high, but if you took it off the break of the high, even on the 30, that's just a continuation upwards, right? On the 1, it's clean. You come up, close above the level, respect it, then close bullish, and then close up. Obviously, I wasn't even awake at this time, but you get the point, right? Yeah, that's a clean setup, Rolex, 100%. Because the 1 hour, you have to think about it this way. The 1 hour is stronger than the 30-minute. So yes, you do need to pay attention to it, but it's not as if the 30 was like massively bearish and it was like, you know, out of the way. You know, like telling you that you need to sell. The 1 hour, the 30-minute, sorry, was just consolidating, but the 1 hour, that's a clean setup. You break the lows. You even broke the lows and grabbed a wick. You didn't have a big wick for the previous candle. You broke the lows, grabbed a wick, and then flipped. That's A very clean onion play right there. A bloke I had a round on with Tuesday had one. I tried it, absolutely loved it. Miles better than my sheepfold thing. Yeah. Bro, one of the people I play with, one of my boys, his brother's the club pro, and he has the craziest gear, bro. Like the craziest kit, like £1,000 drivers, all that type of shit. So I just use that all the time. But mine are like, my clubs are okay to be fair, but nothing like overly special. Is it a sell? Not yet, brother. We need to wait. We need to wait right now. Yeah. Cool. Any nice plans for the weekend? Not really. Not really. I'm going to be working. I'm going to be creating some content probably. As always. And then go to the gym. And that's about it. Perfect. Hey, you've just woken up from a nasty nap. Now I can't feel my lower body. Crazy. Is that a thing? I don't really take naps, so I've never experienced that. But that sounds weird, bro. That sounds horrible. Okay, chat. So you tapped into this 67 level here. You might see a reaction here, to be honest. If you are going to reject anywhere, it's probably going to be here. 5 minutes got no top wick either. Oh, no, it closed. Never mind. Okay. Let's see what happens. Just had a leg day yesterday. Oh, yeah, fair play. Fair play. Big leg day. Yeah, chat, you guys really are killing it, man. We've grown like 3k subs in the past, like, I'd say 3 or 4 months. Stream with the degenerates. True. Wow, that's a big number, Eugene. I wouldn't even know how to pronounce that. Is that a Google? Google? No, that's like way more numbers, no? That's gazillions. Yeah, that is gazillions. It says gazillions watching. Bro. Man's copied the whole title. Now his little page where it shows the viewers, and now the description. Crazy. Let's see here, chat. Let's see. 13 minutes before our close. That's where we're really going to get any potential trades, if there is anything forming, right? Again, there's not really any volume, but okay. Start to pick up a little bit as I say that. Yeah, we need to wait for some closures. If this 4 hour can flip and close bearish, then yeah, you're looking good. 3.69k subscribers. Actually, let's keep it there. Now we need to get to 6.69. Ah. Christ. Link to OnlyFans. What's good, Crypto Maniac? How you doing, brother? How'd you find my OnlyFans, bro? I was trying to keep that secret from you lot. You got me. You got me, man. You found it in the Telegram. Yeah, I was going to say, someone sent that in for sure. How important is journaling your trade? A friend told me that you cannot be successful in trading if you don't have a journal. How true is it? Listen, it's like this, right? Journaling your trade is like, if your friend told you that you cannot be successful in trading if you don't have a journal, technically that's not true. You can be successful in trading if you don't journal. But it's like driving a Ferrari, and you can either put shit gas and no tires on it, or you can put race fuel and the best tires, right? Which one's going to help you win that race? Obviously the second one, right? So it's just, think about it. Give yourself the best advantage that you possibly can. You don't want to be driving some shit car that's still going to get you from A to B when you could be driving, you know, a tuned up race car. So it's literally going to be, journaling's going to be the thing that changes your trading if you do it properly. 100% without fail. It changed mine. And that's why I made a journal for you guys. Purely for that reason. Fuck, that's a clip as well. So that's where the starting capital came from. Yeah, the OnlyFans. Yeah, 100%. The initial deposit, eh? Not a bad idea, you know. If I was a female trader who was profitable but I didn't have any cash, that's what I'd do. Actually, it's cap, I wouldn't. I think it's ungodly. But anyway. Are you waiting for the 4 hour? Yes, we're waiting for the 4 hour in 10 minutes. What if the market reverses? If it reverses, it reverses. If it's going to reverse, it'll be now. Around this area here. It's tapped into 2467. Which in the past is an area we've respected multiple times. But it might continue. Enter sell, brother. It'll take the sell side liquidity before going to the buy side liquidity. Yeah, I'm going to keep trading the way I trade, bro. But if you see a sell, take it, my friend. If it's part of your plan, then take it. Of course. I'm not going to take a sell because someone in chat says it. Bro, that's enough with the clips today. You got to chill. Every other clip will cost you 1 BTC. Okay, bro. Deal. I got you. I got you. Yeah, man. Chat, listen. I think this is what differentiates like us and our community from every other community of traders. We don't try and predict where the market's going to go. We wait for it to make the move and then we jump on the wave, right? We take a piece of the pie and that's it. That's how we got such a high win rate. Cool. I'd rather be poor. Yeah, true. I agree. I agree, bro. It's like selling your soul, I think, OnlyFans. It's like pretty godless. Especially like, can you imagine if you met a girl and you really like her and then you fall in love and then you propose to her or whatever. And then you find out she used to have OnlyFans. It's like, bro, nah. Not predictions. The market's literally printing it out in front of you. Okay, bro. Good shit then if you can read the market that well and that you're, you know, you must be profitable if you can read it like that. So why are you not on a yacht somewhere? Why are you in my stream talking about how I should trade? Maybe focus on yourself and focus on your trading. Just helping you, that's all. I appreciate it, bro. But I'm going to keep doing what I do. That's how I became a full-time trader, right? So I'm going to stick at doing what I do. But thank you. Yeah, your bro texts you one day like, ain't this your missus? Oh, bro, 100%. Bro, Eugene. Yo, bro, it's not that deep. What do you mean it's not that deep? I'm not deep in anything. What? Yeah, 6 minutes into this closure, right? 6 minutes. Cool, man. SG, if it closes like this, we still look for buys, right? Bro, if it closes like this, I'm gonna wait for another. If we close like this on the 4, I'll wait probably for the next 30 minutes, next 1 hour. And then, yeah. And we'll see what happens. I'd like to see the next, like, if the 4 closes like this, I'd like to see us grab a small top wick, next 1 hour close below, and then we get the sales down. Yeah, Spion, it was on purpose, bro. You've been killing it with the clips, so I'll give you free access to the coaching and signals. What are you training today, bro? Bro, I'm probably gonna hit like shoulders and arms. If you want to join me. Yeah, I'll probably do that. Thanks, man, so I can join up in the daily coaching course. Yeah, of course you can, Spion. Of course you can, my boy. Bro, you earned it, man. Like, you've been clipping for me for ages. I'm obviously going to reward you with that type of shit. But good stuff, man. Yeah, I appreciate everything you've been doing. That same with anyone, right? If you provide enough value, like, the community works here because we all provide value for each other. Oh, jacket spuds overrated. Yeah. Yeah, they are. I don't rate them. Yeah, I got the same time. What time you be there? Just shoot me an Instagram DM and I'll tell you. Tell you when I leave. Goes off in those calls. Those calls are fucking insanely valuable. Like last night's call, we sat there for an hour and a half discussing like, well, specific things, and yeah, honestly, they're so fucking informative. Not even only from like me telling you like an educational perspective, it's also the fact that you get to share your trades, you get to understand, you know, what you did wrong and or what you could improve or something that you misunderstood about the market, you can clear that up. It's just like literally the most, it's like the cheapest way to get pretty intensive coaching that I've ever seen, right? I think it's so fucking valuable. And I don't push it because I hate pushing my products or whatever, but it truly is like, I don't know, I'm so proud of the daily coaching calls, man. Like everyone in there as well. Like you got Ray's, you got Kareem, you got Eugene. I'm forgetting people obviously, but everyone's trading's gone way, like just improved so fucking much. It's insane. So yeah. And yeah, you get signals with it, but that's not the main point of the coaching group. The main point is obviously that you get that daily call, and yeah, the value in there is just top tier. Interesting, chat. You got 2 minutes left. Again, it's the push last minute special, right? Which is ideal. So let's see if we can end up closing below. Fuck me though, this 1 hour pushed a lot. Yeah, the 4 hour, hopefully we can flip here on the 4. Then you can look to see if you can take some sales here. We spent months testing shit in there, innit? Yeah, bro. Crazy. Like, yeah, everyone's testing new shit. Everyone's, I don't know, like, helping each other out with their problems or their psychology in trading. Fucking sick. Chat, again, right? You pushed this far down, but there was no entry for us here. Sometimes you just have to watch it drive. Again, we need to see a closure below 65 before I can take any sells. There's nothing telling me that this continues all the way down right now until we close below there. Yeah, nice, Eugene. But chat, man, drop a like for that. I appreciate every single one of you. The community that we're building here is just next level. Absolutely love the community that we've got. It's the least toxic community I've ever seen in trading, apart from a couple of individuals. But yeah, we're chilling, man. Absolutely crazy. And yeah, only up from here. It's gonna still be a higher low. Yeah, it could. We'll be chilling, of course, man. Nah, listen, it's such a sick community. It really is. 4-hour FVG. Why would that be? Like between here and here or what? I think this is an FVG. Like, I don't trade FVGs, so yeah, but is it like that? Between there and there or what? At 9 seconds into this close. I'll wait for the next 30-minute closure. And then yeah. But then is this not an FVG as well then? Between here and here? Yeah, fair play. Sales? Not yet, bro. Not yet. We closed. Firstly, you got no top wick now on the 4-hour. Secondly, we closed respecting 65, right? Why not take this 67 broke? Chat, you guys need to chill with your patience. Like, your advantage point now is to 65.05, which gives you 4 pips. Right? I'm not taking a trade to get 4 pips. Like we said, we need to see. I'm sorry, I didn't see the bro. Mark, you're good. Don't worry. But we need to see a. We need to see a closure below 65 or 64.5. No, 65. Yeah. No trade days are profitable trades. Profitable days. Yeah, 100%. Listen, like, you can practice your discipline, then it's always a win. I think. Especially also, we trade New York too, right? So it's not like we've got no chance to get a trade today if we don't get it here. We're going to wait for the next hour or so. Next 30 minutes, maybe next hour. But yeah, I mean, obviously if something comes up in New York, I'll take that, which it most likely will, because there'll be actual volume. Consistent volume. Yeah. Last month I had 0.5% gain as PA was poor, had almost no trades, but this week I've had 3% patience pays people. Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly. Trading's all about the long-term game, right? You're playing a long game here. People that come in and they're like, why aren't you taking this trade or whatever? They don't understand, and that's why they don't, you know, that's why 95% of traders don't make it. Is because they can't see the long-term game. If I didn't take a trade for the next month, but then the month after that, you told me I could get consistent trades and consistent wins, I'd be fine. You know? You send your trades and your VIP. Yeah, I do, bro. I do. You get the daily calls at 8 PM and signals. I've been watching for like a month and you're pretty good. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, my friend. Yeah, the signals so far, we're up. We took a big loss. Not a big loss, but we took a loss a couple of weeks ago. But so far for the last 3 months, we're up 500 pips, I think. Let me just check. 450, sorry. So yeah, we're up 450 pips for the last 4 months. with an 89.5% win rate. And yeah, just signals are explaining too. Now you get the explanations too. So you get, firstly, whenever I take the trade, 90% of the time I say what it's about and what we're looking for. And I also send a picture in, obviously. Secondly, you get the daily calls at 8 p.m. including that price. So you can jump in the call and I'll literally do a breakdown like this, like I'm doing on stream, and tell you what the trade was and why we took it and what we could have done better and all that stuff. Can I get access to your journal? Yeah, bro, the journal's free. Just do that, ! journal. And then you can download it. You just click file and make a copy. Yeah, completely free, my boy. Top trader on Top Step had 3 months drawdown at some point. Yeah, people don't understand that, bro. Wait, did you stream New York yesterday? No, I didn't. People don't understand that, yeah. I've met a lot of really, really big traders, right? That like are big in the industry. Like prop traders too. And all of them at some point have had losing months and losing quarters. Every single one of them. So the people that think that doesn't happen, yeah, laughable. This 1 hour closes above 24.67. Is it a valid fake out? Yeah, but you need, if you want to take buys now, you need a bottom wick on the 4 hour. You need to see this 4 hour come down quite far. I'd say to like tap into at least 61, sorry, and then I need you to come back up, because you also have to understand now that you could just be getting a 4 hour top wick here. If you come up and close above, that could just be your 4 hour top wick. Right, but we've rejected very, very heavily off the top of this range here at 24.75. So once you close below that 24.65 level, you're good. I can't take a wick entry for sells because the 4 hour didn't close bearish. If this 4 hour closed bearish when we came up here right now, I'd be saying, okay, when we tap into 24.68, we'll look for sells. But yeah, at the minute I can't do that. What we can do though is we'll wait for a 30-minute or a 1 hour closure. If it comes back up and makes the top wick, then we'll get in that position. Just like we did here yesterday, right? We caught, and this is a sample size play, so I was aggressive with letting it run, obviously. But we caught this yesterday, and it ran 100 pips, 110. And the stops were literally like 15 pips. It looks fake. It looks unrealistic, but yeah. So that's the play that I'm working on. And obviously it's not always going to be a 7-1 or whatever. Sometimes it'll be a 1-1 or a 2-1. But yeah, if we can get that, if I can get that play coming and the data consistent, I'll bring that to you guys and I'll show you all for free, obviously. I'm not going to hide anything. Bro, there's some traders that have like a play that they like, I don't know, they take most of their trades off us and then they won't tell you it. Or like you have to buy a course for them to show you it. It's like, bro, it's just a fucking entry. I don't see the point in that. Every entry that I get, I'm going to show you guys for free, obviously. I don't care about selling that stuff, so yeah. But let's see, man. You came up here quickly. Grabbed the top wick. You're only like 7 minutes into this candle right now. You need to come up a little bit further. I'd say minimum I'd like us to tap like 67.7. Just tap into the top of this structure here. Once you should be able to do that once there's 5 flips. Once you do that and you come and close below 24.65, that's the position that we'll get. Okay? Makes sense, chat? But that seller's a 1 hour breakout yesterday for 120 pips. Yeah, same shit, bro. Good trade, my friend. Well done. I couldn't take it as the... Oh, yeah, I suppose... Yeah. Nah, GG's. Let's see, though, chat. If it doesn't form, I'd say in the next 20 minutes, we'll probably call it a day. And then I'll call it in the signals. But you guys know what you're looking for, right? I want you guys to understand that, like, we know what we're looking for now. So even if I'm not on stream when we take it, you guys should be able to understand the play and take it yourselves. So we need a top wick. We need a closure below 24.65. And yeah, once we get that, then we'll look for our positions when we close below. Top wick, and we're in. So if it's off stream and that's what happens, I want to see you guys in the Discord saying, I took the trade, SG, well done. Or like, you know, I'll say well done to you, I mean, not the other way around. You know what I mean? I want to see you guys taking that initiative. But yeah, chat. What's everyone's plans for the weekend? Anyone doing anything interesting, anything special? Vacation. Crazy, bro. Where you going? Gonna call it G. Have a kick-ass session for New York session, NYC. Good luck for the rest of the day, chat. Yeah, see you in a bit, bro. Have a good rest of your day, my friend. I appreciate your positivity too. You're killing it. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already, man. Let's see if we can grab something here. We'll stay patient, right? Obviously, we'll continue to remain patient. As we said, right, our edge is our patience mostly. Okay, it's time to it's time to lock in, stay disciplined, finish the week off strongly, right? If you've had a good week, you don't want to ruin it, and yeah, you don't want to make it worse if you took a few losses. So stick to that plan, wait for your perfect entry, and then take it like a sniper. Probs won't know. It's a little village in Pilio. Yeah, I don't know. Band practice. Oh, that's cool, bro. What instrument do you play? Plus 30 Friday, Canberra Sands. What is that? Oh, it's a beach. Bro, what, in England? Let me see. Oh, that's nice, bro. Decent. Don't have plans yet, but probably working on something on Saturday, and on Sunday relax a bit and prepare for the new week. Nice, bro. That's a good weekend. Productive and yeah, smart. There's not much volume here, as always on that 4-hour open, right? The volume starts to die off quickly. I'm gonna stare at the wall all weekend in a corner. Nice. You seen these people that say they've been like raw dogging flights, where they just like they just stare at the plane, the image of the plane that just goes for like 15 hours. Bro, no chance. No way I can do that. Better. Bro, Eugene's teaching all the Europeans British slang. One word at a time. I've done that for 13 hours. Easy, nothing on me. No way you have done that. Absolutely no shot. Bro, I couldn't sit there for 13 minutes and stare at a fucking picture. I have. What, I say you haven't? Going to a family do on Sunday near Leeds. Got a golf lesson on Saturday. Crazy, bro. Yeah, I lived in Leeds for 2 years. Leeds is nice. Leeds is really nice. I miss it, actually. They have the best fucking gym in the country there. I used to go there, and now I don't. But I have a good gym now still, but yeah, the gym there was absolutely nuts. Now where all of the UK fitness influencers go, like, the moment I leave. Which is crazy. I was, like, creating fitness content there. And then I leave, and then there's, like, a million influencers that come. I was like, okay, sick. It's in Otley, just near Leeds. In the Otley run, or what? But Jan's at your one. Yeah, that is true. That is true. Bro, Jan hit 180 kilograms for 2 the other day on bench. That's such a piss take. How are you telling me 180 kilograms for 2 reps? I want to see if it's on here. That's just a picture of his cat. Yeah, look, 180 times 2, bro. Whoa. That's 3 25 kilogram plates plus, I don't know, 5 on the side or some shit. Jan, bro, what are you doing, man? That's ridiculous. And you paused it as well. This one's even crazier, bro. 170 for 5. He just reps it like it was nothing. Yeah, no spot as well on the 180. That is outrageous. How can 170 move like the bar? That moves like the bar, like for me, bro. That's next level. I'm gonna start waiting for 2465. Nice, bro. Hopefully, I mean, yeah, it got close. There's just not enough room for us to take a sell right now, personally. Okay, 15-minute close bullish, respecting the level. It actually closed back above the most recent support here at 2466. Yeah, you do have a big rejection area here, so you need to be careful about that. Obviously, we need to see some strong closures before we grab anything. Anything substantial, right? You still haven't created that lower low, right? That we were talking about market structure. You still haven't created a lower low. You're coming up, down, and then you still haven't broke this low here. So for all we know, this could just be a continuation upwards. Again, I'm not saying it definitely will be, but we have to wait for strong confirmations. Anatoly is funny. But yeah, that guy's crazy. You see him in America, like, the biggest guys, and he just lifts their lifts like it's nothing. And we're like, what the fuck, man? So funny. Yeah, I'm going to try and get a new bench PR soon, though. I'm going to try and build my strength up again. I'm trying to be like Jan there, get 180. I'm going to get 180 for 17, though. I'm going to rep it for 17 reps. With one hand. Easy. Can I promote one of my reselling accounts on here? Send me it, Mark. I'm going to check it first in case it's something ridiculous, but yeah. You've lost all my trust, my friend. Like, I feel like it's going to be some, I don't know. You ship worldwide, Mark, or what? You got worldwide shipping? Crazy thing is, it's not even following me, bro. You're not even following me from your reselling account, and you want me to promote it. That's crazy. That's crazy, Mark. The audacity. The audacity. No, I'm playing, bro. I'm playing. You're good. Put this man on blast. Let's go, followed. Okay. I trust you, Mark. Ah, you're good. Fine. sneakercentral.gr. You get a 5-second promo. There you go, my boy. But yeah, chat, listen. We've got 10 minutes to 30-minute closure. If we don't pick up in volume by that time, you know what the score is, right? It's going to be Pixlet's time. Once we do that, or once we do pick up in volume, sorry, we'll wait and see. Love you, man. Yeah, love you too, Mark. All good. Morning, Dion. How you doing? Yeah, low volume today. Definitely low volume. We had one push, but we got no entries. There's no top wicks or anything on that push. So yeah, nothing for me there. But yeah, listen. It is what it is, right? We need to wait for this volume to pick up. If it doesn't pick up, again, like I said, in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to call it. Call it a day. The journal link is for the new journal. I want to see your trade journal. Oh, yeah, sure. Sure. I didn't realize that's what you meant, bro. Let me send that in now. I'll share this. I need to change it because obviously we just released the new journal, so not all my trades are updated on there. If you want to see the, yeah, the one that Spion sent is the journal up until the last quarter, and then this one's the newer one. But again, last quarter's trades aren't on there, so it's a bit skewed. Spion, are you in the IRS or something? That's crazy. If it closes like this and below the range, can we take an onion? If it closes like this below the range, we'll just take the breakout. We'll just take the breakout if we close below the range. Yeah. But I need to see us push down first. I need to see more volume. But I don't think you're going to see it, to be honest. But I just realized the verify bot's not been working in my Discord. So everyone who's been trying to verify didn't get verified. Shit, that's tough. Oh, I just manually verified everyone right now, but hopefully that works. Alright, chat, you're pushing here. Let's see what happens. You got 7 minutes. Seven minutes here to the closure. I would have liked a bigger top wick, to be honest, but I think if we do close below here, you should be good. You should be good to at least I would say 24.63. Yeah, you got room to at least down there. Cool, man. Let's see if we can actually get closure below here. Maybe not. We'll see, man. We'll see. £10. Yeah, it's a big rejection there off this area. This is why we were saying, right? This is why we were saying we need a closure below that before we can take anything. Because look, you just rejected quite heavily again. So, whoa. Good. Yeah, so like we said, look, this is why we wait for the closures, chat. Because you will go, if you go back, I don't know, 30 minutes or an hour. What did we say? We literally said at any point this could just be a you know, a higher low being made and you can reject off. And yeah. Gee, what do you think about this candle fill in the previous one? The previous 4, do you mean this wick fill? If you want the 4-hour wick fill, you need to come down and get yourself a big bottom wick. Around 62, 61. And then reflip and break the high. And then you might see a wick fill. But until then, you've grabbed so much liquidity to come down. It's such a weak closure on the 4-hour, right? Like, you've grabbed a lot of yeah, a lot of sell side liquidity from the upside if you're talking in ICT terms. But you've grabbed a lot of orders up here, right? And you should be good to push down. So you just have to sort of wait and see for the confirmation that we are actually creating those lows, and then you should be good. $72 watching with 88 likes is crazy. Rigged. I know, bro. It's actually a matrix attack. It's actually a matrix attack again. But nah, yeah, obviously we have more than 77 people because, or 72 people, because you're right, 82 likes is, yeah. But it doesn't matter. As long as everyone's hearing and everyone's getting value, then we're all good. But what's good, Noodle Hots? How are you, brother? How are you? Had my exam, used ChatGPT the whole time. That's so funny, bro. Killing it. Your channel is likely shadow banned. Cannot find it in search. Really? He who brings the night. I appreciate that, but headlines. It comes up for me, but it's obviously me actually on the account, so I don't know if that's viable. I'll get someone who doesn't subscribe to search it in. Shit, is that true, chat? How do I get rid of a shadow ban? But also, if I was shadow banned, wouldn't there just be way less wouldn't there just be way less viewers? Because we still have more viewers because I'm getting 90 likes a stream. So it's not like I'm pretty sure the views are just glitched. Yeah, victory is a mod. W victory. Yeah, bro. W victory, man. Damn, Spion's name is Mark. Yeah, I know, bro. Oh shit, I searched for Forex Live and Forex trading, gold trading, and your live didn't show up. That's so weird. We were getting pushed so heavily before. Interesting. That's tough then. Yeah, Noodle Hots is also marked. Bro, there's bear marks. Damn, SG, you see the game last night? LeBron with the touchdown. Shit was crazy. Yeah, bro, I'm pretty sure Steph Curry got a home run too. That was sick. I search your exact name and it still doesn't come up sometimes. What the fuck, bro? That's so weird. That's why, chat, you got to put notifications on, I think. If you put notifications on, I'm pretty sure we pop up every time we start streaming. I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, make sure you got the notifications on. And I'll figure out a way to get the shadow ban lifted if that's what it is. But chat, I also think that we've got like, I also do think it's a bit of a view glitch, because why would we have, you know, 88 likes or whatever it is when we've got only this many viewers. I don't know. Could be wrong. Yeah, like 90 likes and 67 viewers. Feels as if just the views are glitched. But anyway, chat, look at the 30-minute here. You look like your SG code doesn't work on ACG, bro. It does if it's your first time buying it, right? If you're first, you can use the SG code once, I'm pretty sure. But I think they have July 20 as a code, so just use that, bro. I don't care about the commission or anything like that. Just use July 20. You'll get 20% off. Doesn't matter about using my code. But I appreciate you. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Here with my daily like. Love you, fam. Love you too, bro. Appreciate it as well. Thank you very much. Yeah, chat. So, look. What did we say, right? Strong rejection off this area. Strong rejection of this area. So for everyone who was saying, yeah, you just need to sell it, you just need to sell it, you know, that's why we wait for certain things. I'm actually gonna I'm gonna say we're gonna call it here for today, chat. We're gonna play some pixel letters and then we're gonna have a lovely rest of the day, man. I'm gonna go hit the gym, and yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream though. It was, this stream again was super valuable. The clips as well. Spion's been sending in so many clips, man. Make sure you go and where is it? Clips from stream. Make sure you go, and if you need to watch any of this stuff, go back and watch all these clips that Spion's sending. Look at the fucking work this guy's been doing over and over and over. Look, this guy's been killing it sending in these clips. There's so much knowledge in this channel, it's ridiculous. So if you're ever trying to figure something out, make sure you go back, and he's named them all too. If you want to figure out what the onion is, if you want to figure out what the celery is, liquidity, you know, loads of stuff, man. Risk management, loads of stuff. It's fucking insane. SG will blow his back out, crazy. But chat, yeah, like the amount of value there has been fucking insane, truly. Be honest, Machina, yeah, 100%. Thanks, Sam. Have a great day. Yeah, appreciate you, Adam. Appreciate it, brother. Hey, not like that, bro. What's up, Noodle Holes? What? Need to go up to a meeting. Have a nice day. Yeah, in a bit, Rosie. You guys gotta help me out with the pixel letters here, though. Help me out. I'll try not to do it too quick today. I realized yesterday I just kind of blew through it and clutched up, but yeah. What are we thinking? Lobster. You love guessing 6-letter words, Eugene. Absolutely. That's a 7-letter word, mad. But you love guessing words that are too long. What's the word? I thought women, but it's not. Vowel. That's a crazy guess, Jar. It is that as well. Huge. Good shit. I would not have guessed that, to be honest. Jar's clutching up again, man. He's back in his zone. Alright, alright, alright. What do we have here? Cheap. I had to get one back. It's 1-1. Friend lines 1, chat 1. What are we saying? Alright. Alright, alright, alright. Give me a hand here, chat. Come on. Yeah, have a good day, everyone. I'm gonna go get some food. W day, W stream. See you again tomorrow. Yeah, in a bit, Michael. Peace out. Crumb? Can't be crumb. Rest? Oh, chat. Chat, we cooked or what? Chat, we might be cooked here. I need a clutch up from someone. Third letter K. I thought that, but it can't be, right? It's not the right placement. Third letter has to be... Oh, crazy. This guy, Ja, unite. That's a huge guess from you, my boy. Ja takes MVP for the day. What the fuck? I reckon he's got hacks. I reckon he's cheating. But I reckon. Good shit. Absolute clutch up there from Ja. Chat, that's going to be it, man. You guys are killing it. Make sure you join the Discord if you haven't already. And yeah, drop a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm going to try and get rid of this shadow ban because, yeah, it makes sense now. We're definitely shadow banned. I don't know what I did or said, but there you go. Other than that, guys, if you're trading New York, make sure you stay responsible. There's unemployment claims at 130. That's a big red folder. So yeah, watch out for that. And other than that, guys, peace out. Much love. Catch you in the next one. Wow. Play my songs. Oh, Mark, what have you put in the songs, bro? Crazy.